Meaning of encrypt.
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 Encrypt. Encrypt means to convert plaintext into ciphertext using a specific algorithm and a secret key. The resulting ciphertext is not readable unless decrypted with the same secret key and algorithm used for encryption. Encryption is often used to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access or theft during transmission or storage. The encryption process usually involves several steps, including data segmentation, encryption key generation, data scrambling, and a final output of unreadable gibberish text that can only be deciphered by authorized parties.